Welcome to the Borland Climb. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to use a PS4 controller on PS5 for Fortnite. First, connect your PS4 controller to your PlayStation 5 console using a standard USB cable. Once connected, navigate to the Accessories menu within your PS5 settings. From there, select Bluetooth accessories and then choose Wireless Controller to initiate the pairing process. Confirm the connection when prompted on your screen, and your controller should be ready for use. It's important to understand a key limitation. PS4 controllers are designed exclusively for playing PlayStation 4 games on your PS5. They cannot be used to play native PlayStation 5 titles. Since Fortnite on the PS5 runs as a native PlayStation 5 application, your PS4 controller will not function for this specific version of the game. This means you'll need a DualSense controller for the full PS5 Fortnite experience. However, there's a workaround if you prefer your PS4 controller. You can play the PlayStation 4 version of Fortnite on your PS5 console. To do this, simply ensure you have the PS4 version of Fortnite installed on your system. When playing the PS4 version, your PS4 controller will work perfectly, allowing you to enjoy the game with your familiar input device. This is the only way to use a PS4 controller for Fortnite on PS5. In summary, while a PS4 controller won't work with the native PS5 version of Fortnite, you can still use it by playing the PS4 version of the game on your PS5. For the best experience with all PlayStation 5 titles, including the native PS5 Fortnite, we highly recommend using the DualSense controller. It offers advanced haptic feedback and adaptive triggers, providing a truly immersive and next-generation gaming experience that enhances gameplay significantly.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.